Mirzaians and Sons is a family-owned and operated business located in beautiful Glendale, California. We've been developing new medical technology for over 100 years, and now we're ready to present the PACSMAN.
Our system is packed with features that take our product beyond the competition. We customize this PAC system to fit Tommy Trojan Hospital's needs and specifications. By improving and adding new functions to this PAC system and removing those that are outdated, we will be saving you time and money.
Bigger storage size.
DICOM compatibility.
DICOM send.
DICOM print.
CD burning and USB storage.
Query and retrieve.
Patient study and image modification.
Web access.
And web viewing.
DICOM auto routing.
EMR and RIS integration.
Dictation, transcription, and voice recognition.
Study lifecycle management.
State-of-the-art security protects from cyber attacks.
Our product is conforming to all U.S. health regulations.
We have customer service and technical advisors online 24/7 to help with any issues you may have. Cerner won't even answer your questions. We have updated user-friendly interfaces and state-of-the-art workstations to streamline the storage, distribution, and viewing of images.
Our reliable, inexpensive equipment is easy to maintain and use. Our system makes image acquisition and transfer faster and safer. We include constant updating of our systems to match new technology. That means you don't have to buy a new system 5 years down the line, unlike some competitors' products.
For Tommy Trojan Hospital, we estimate a $1,000 install plus $1,000 a year for services. You can get a 1 terabyte hard drive for $50. Why are you letting other corporations upcharge incredible percentages for their products?
According to your calculations, you need 6 terabytes of storage per year for your images. Don't be scammed. It's estimated that there are 2 people dying every second. What value do you place on a human life? If you could save just one person, that one special person, wouldn't that be worth all the money in the world? Think of the families torn apart, the children growing up without parents, the precious lives lost that could have been prevented.
It's our duty, our responsibility, to do what we can to make the world a better place. For our parents, for us, and for our children. That's why we here at Mirzaians and Sons Medical and you at Tommy Trojan Hospital should want the best in medical technology. You need support? for 185,000 exams a year, we have your back. Annual growth of 3% a year, we can scale PACSMAN. 5%? No problem. 10%? Even better.
You see, when you work with the right people for the right cause, it brings out the best in humanity. That's why PACSMAN.
I was in the hospital because I choked on my fork, but PACSMAN helped save my life.
I was playing competitive ultimate frisbee and broke my right femur, but PACSMAN saved my life.
Last year, I was involved in a jet ski accident, and I broke rib 13 and 14. Fortunately, PACSMAN helped me recover.
We know time at Tommy Trojan Hospital is invaluable, and we thank you for listening to our proposal for your new PACSMAN system.
We understand you have other options when it comes to PACS, and we here at Mirzaians and Sons Medical thank you for your patronage.
Mirzaians and Sons, because your modalities are our priority.